When we breathe in, one of the ways that our body kind of functions, our brain, is getting oxygen delivery and removal of metabolic waste through a movement of the fascia around the brain called dura meningeal. It has 3 layers. The outside layer is attached to the internals of your skull called Dura. It's the toughest surface. And the middle one is Pia Mater. And then below that is Arachnoid. That's just tucked to your brain. So the Dura, the outside layer, it's like a sheath that kind of surrounds the brain. Between the Dura and that whole dura meningeal system encapsulate this hydraulic fluid called cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid is that essence of health that basically keeps the brain functioning. It brings all the vitality to the brain, keeps the chemistry of the brain for extrapolating oxygen to the brain tissue, removing metabolic waste. It's just beautiful. When you go to a deep sleep, the production of the CSF goes up just to drain the metabolic waste from the brain, clean the brain. This is why we call it juicy sleep. It's really important. Get to that deep sleep. It's that demand for sleep is for brain to just, like a washing machine that you turn on, it kind of increases the water to soak the stuff, and then it goes through a cycle to wash them, and then you squeeze them, literally just to get the waste stuff and everything out of the brain tissue that shouldn't be there, like the metabolic waste. That entire process that needs to happen requires the dura meningeal to move. Meaning, when you're breathing in, breathing out, the dura meningeal that's attached to the internal of your cranial structures and to your spine, all the way to the tailbone, requires to move freely.